Calculating the correct size for an R-3 junction box involves understanding conduit fill and adhering to the National Electrical Code, specifically Table 314.28 Atware. For a 750 kilowatt generator with 480 volts 3-phase 4-wire output, we need to consider the conduits and conductors involved. There are 4 3-inch conduits, each containing 4 350 mcm cables and 1 3/0 ground, and 1 2-inch conduit containing 4 1/0 cables and 1 number 6 ground. Let's start with the 3-inch conduit. The conduit area for a 3-inch conduit is 7.7 square inches. The area of 4 350 mcm cables is 4 times 0.423 square inches, which equals 1.692 square inches. The area of the 3/0 ground is 0.131 square inches. Therefore, the total fill in the 3-inch conduit is 1.692 square inches plus 0.131 square inches, totaling 1.823 square inches. To determine the fill percentage, we divide the total fill by the conduit area and multiply by 100. This gives us 1.823 square inches divided by 7.7 square inches, multiplied by 100, which equals 25.8%. Now let's move on to the 2-inch conduit. The conduit area for a 2-inch conduit is 3.14 square inches. The area of 4 1/0 cables is 4 times 0.143 square inches, which equals 0.572 square inches. The area of the number 6 ground is 0.57 square inches. The total fill in the 2-inch conduit is 0.572 square inches plus 0.57 square inches, totaling 0.629 square inches. To find the fill percentage, we divide the total fill by the conduit area and multiply by 100. This gives us 0.629 square inches divided by 3.14 square inches, multiplied by 100, which equals 20.0%. According to National Electrical Code Table 314.28 Atware, the minimum required interior volume of an R-3 junction box for these conductors and fill percentages must accommodate the conduit size and the number of conductors. For the 3-inch conduit, a minimum volume of 10.5 cubic inches is required. For the 2-inch conduit, a minimum volume of 6.2 cubic inches is required. Therefore, an R-3 junction box with a volume of at least 10.5 cubic inches would be appropriate for this application. Ensure to select a junction box that meets or exceeds these minimum volume requirements to provide adequate space for the conductors and to comply with the National Electrical Code.